What's up, everybody? My name is Kevin. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a super special fishing property for you. This is 68 River Drive here in Cascade, Montana. It is 1 acre along the Missouri River corridor, which is blue ribbon trout fishing. So there's 5,000 fish per mile, and you have these huge rim rocks out behind you. 1 full acre of land, so you have almost another half acre of property empty here where you could put another house, a couple yurts, do some Airbnb properties. That is allowed down here. You have this custom-built log cabin behind me that was built by a master carpenter. It's got a ton of hand-built details. The doors are hand-carved. There's some really cool concrete features with the bison skulls. You have over 500 feet of Missouri River frontage right next to the bridge. Wonderful fishing, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's just over 1,400 square feet. So let's go check this thing out. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, tell me a comment, let me know what's your favorite part of this property, and we'll see you inside. So there you have it, 68 River Drive in Cascade. Now this house is super special, not just because of the lot, not just because of the river, but because of all these details that were handcrafted. The cabinets were handcrafted, all the wood, all the walls have been floated, the live edge trim, and you have plenty of room. The layout's really beautiful. You have a ton of windows so you can enjoy your view, and it's just a really peaceful spot to get away. Plus you're only 20 minutes from town, and what else could you want for a fishing cabin? This place is great. Plus you have room to expand. Let me know what your favorite part is. Drop a like, drop a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping.